everyone, this is Tracy from the Idea Closet and Paper Closet Designs, and today's video I just wanted to show you how to assemble the little 6-pack Hershey Nugget 6-pack box. So there is one that is completely assembled. It has the little tag that I've already printed on, and it has all the little embellishments on there for you. So I'm going to show you how to put it together. It goes together really simple. You actually have a couple of options with this. So you can turn it into a 6-pack like I did, and that's the original thought. You can also do it as a 3-pack if you just do one of them. Just do one side. Okay, so let me show you what the file comes with. You have two pieces of the box frame, and then you have 2 pieces for the back and 2 pieces for the front. You also have 2 of these little triangle pieces. They go on the side right there. Okay, it comes with 6 nugget wrappers, and you can cut those out of any paper that you want, solid cardstock, flip them over, whatever, but if you'll need either 6 or 3 depending on which one you're going to do. It comes with the frames. This goes on the handle, and I'll show you where to put that or how to use it. It's also an optional piece, doesn't have to be included. When you cut that out, you're going to get this piece, and that can go on the front or it can be discarded. And then you'll also have your hearts right here. So there's 6 of these little hearts. Let's get started, and I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is to do this. So I need to kind of move some of this out of the way. And the first thing you're going to do is just take your base piece, and it folds up. If you're using a Cricut, it does come with the Design Studio score lines, so you can use it with your score, or if you're doing the silhouette, you can use it, you can use the SVG files, the GSD files, or the DXF files, and it will cut the perforations. So there it is, all folded up. Let me get my glue. And you're just, actually before you glue it, I have found that it's easier to put the embellishment pieces on first. So we're going to take one of these, and you can do it with glue or a tape runner. I'm just going to use my tape runner. Let's open it up. And then we're just going to match it up on there. It matches up pretty good, perfectly. We're going to take our little frame. Now the frames I have found work a little bit better with the glue. I'm just going to dot some glue on here. This is my favorite glue. I get asked all the time, what type of adhesive do I use? And this is what I use. It's the Scotch Create Permanent Tacky Glue, and it's my favorite. And it can be found at Walmart or Target or on Amazon, lots of places. It's pretty common. So we're just going to glue that on there. And then we're going to take this piece, and it goes on the front right here. So I'm going to flip it over. Use my tape runner again, and just line it up, stick it right on there. Now these pieces are optional as well. You don't have to put the embellishments on it. You can just do the card if that's what you want. Okay, to assemble it, we're going to put a little drop of glue right there, flip it over, and a little drop of glue right there. And then I'm going to glue it to the small tab first. I don't know if you can see that. And if you're using the glue, you need to kind of hold it a little bit. You can use tape runners, but I found that the glue holds it a lot better. I'm just going to hold it for a second there. And then we're going to fold it over and glue it like that, so that those longer pieces cover the shorter pieces. So just put a little dab of glue right there, a little dab of glue right there, fold it over, and just kind of hold it. You do have to hold them for just a couple of seconds. And the way my camera is I can either look in the camera or I can look at what I'm doing. So sometimes these don't go together perfectly when I'm doing the video. All right, so you'll do that with both sides, and then when it's done, you'll just take it and glue it to the back and match it up like that. And then you will put your little triangle piece right there to cover up that seam. If you're not using the 6-pack and you're only going to do it as a 3-pack like I did on this one, you'll take this triangle piece and just cut it right down the middle so that you can put one on each side. So that's all there is to gluing that piece, and then like I said, you'll just glue it to there. Put your nuggets in after you've glued it. It'll fit a lot better. And then for the nuggets, they're really simple to do. You just take one of your papers and flip it over, whichever print side you want, doesn't matter. Flip it over to the opposite. And I just run some tape, a tape runner down it, lay it across, and then just tape it all the way over. And it's really that easy. And then they just slip right in to your little box. The file also comes with a tag, and I didn't cut the tag out, but it is in the file. And so then you can just tie your little tag on there. It's a 2-layer tag, so it has the red piece and then it has the white piece. The white piece can be hand stamped, handwritten. With this one I did the digital Valentine stamp, and I have a tutorial, or I will have a tutorial showing you how to do that. I've already done one with the Cricut, and I'll show you a little bit later how to do it with your silhouette. It's really easy. So I hope you've had fun. Visit me at theideacloset.blogspot.com, or you can pick up these files for these cute little 6-pack nugget holders at Paper Closet Designs. Thank you. Have a good day.